Check, check, check 1 2, check 1 2. It is Wednesday, November 16th, 2022, and we are opening up again in the middle of a chop session. ES is also opening up in the middle of this chop. Yesterday we chopped real hard, and we had a scare when some Russian missiles landed in Poland, which caused a bit of a sell-off, but then it looked like there'd probably been some kind of mistake. It wasn't a deliberate attack, so we sucked right back up in. And today we are back into the middle of this range. Target down big. Earnings pre-market missed big on earnings per share. A couple other names also. Nvidia just selling off. Pre-market, not sure why. And here's Amazon. And yeah, I'm thinking this 96 20s against the whole up here in the 96 20s, 28 cents. Baba popping back up. Microsoft on highs. Apple. Target. Target did reclaim that 152.50. I had the alert set wrong. Target did reclaim. Now it's back below. 152.50 reclaimed. It looks like I got filled a little bit short on Amazon here. Small size, 95.80s is the target there. Coming down into the hole. Can we go sweep underneath the hole? Gonna cover one there. Gonna cover one there. And just gonna cover the last one there. Did end up going to the 80s. Just took it. Bread and butter play there. Go ahead and set an alert for that Amazon short. Not a huge play, just a small one. This target continues to reclaim this level. Baba on lows again. This target continues to reclaim, and I'm wondering if that 152 152.50 and 152 against 151.30. $151.30. Gonna try to pick up some of this target down here at 151, 152.25 between these two nodes. Amazon not really making lows here either. This target looks like it wants to reclaim. Go run for pre-market highs. It's up at 158. Let's see if we can get anything down in the 20s here. There I am on the bid. Got it. Let me move this target over here. Target, and then I'll put Amazon over here. So target, I am long at 25 cents. And I'm looking for us to get back above 53, 54. Maybe make them run up to 55, 56. If we get a very quick spike, I would look to get some risk off, and then just let the rest run. And Amazon reversing and moving up higher. Can this target get back up above 53? Coming into 52 now, testing 52. Big area right here at 52. They do break 52. Down to the 80s, 60s. Walmart on highs, back above 52, back down to the 70s. Giving it some wiggle room intentionally, down to the 60s. Hopefully that's all the wiggle room it needs, and then it can get back up. Let's take a look. Walmart. Walmart on highs. And Walmart looks really good. Previous high day was just above that 150 level. Here's Target coming back up. Walmart, I'm going to reset the high a day there on Walmart. This looks quite good. 148, like 148.60. This guy right here against like 148 basically on Walmart. 148.60 against 148. Have to come in a ways to get there. Need Target to start working its way back above 52.50 really quickly, or I might need to cut the trade. I think it can get there. And then what was the other one? TSM. TSM hit lows. Let me keep an eye on that. And here comes Target back in. Back down to this 52. I don't really want to see it down in the 60s again. Walmart continuing to move higher. Coin on lows. Target moving here. Trying to take one off up here. Did not get it. Tried to take one off up, way up there. What was I trying to get? 76 cents. Did not get it up there. Gonna keep an eye on that. The fact that I did not get it. Can we break out above that 53? We are struggling to break out above that 53. I think if that target goes though, it could really push. I mean, target can get thin and just really move. But if it doesn't want to go, then I probably need to get out on this attempt. Let's see if they can break through these 80s, 70s, and 80s here. Let's take a look at BABA. BABA cracking. Coin cracking. Coin on lows. BABA. And here's Target coming back in. Not able to go. There's the 70s. There's the 80s. There's Walmart on highs. And Target just cannot get up. Hoping these 80s can crack right here. Can it get it back above 53? It's just struggling so much. I'm going to just take it off. I'm taking it off right there. It's just struggling so much to get above this area, above this 53. I'm just gonna say above. So tiny scalp on target, and there she goes immediately after I get out target. There she goes, and that's where I should have been selling. I did all the hard work and got out. This is where I should have been selling into this push. And there she goes. And there's the long-term target. Yeah, that was the move I was looking for. Was that push right there. So let's go ahead and set a marker there because I completely misplayed that. I was extremely well positioned and scared myself out there yesterday. Maybe some recency bias from yesterday happening. Just wasn't seeing it be able to get above there, and then got out, and seconds later she explodes to the upside. Like literally 2 points in just a matter of seconds. Pretty frustrating to miss that after doing all the hard work. But we'll set a marker here and we'll review after the close. I don't know if there's a follow-up play there. I don't think target, the risk reward changes significantly now that we've gone up here. That was the move I was looking for. No promise of continuation here. Baba's on lows. Microsoft on highs. TSM is on lows. Coin also on lows. Coin cracking, as is Baba. And the coin I like a lot more than the Baba. Coin right here in the 5170s against 5250s. And it has room to go. I'm gonna go for that 5250s. Got it at 74 cents, small short in coin. We are looking for lows, 51s at minimum. Baba don't like as much just because of the daily. Also curious what, yeah, Amazon popped up. And that target I'm going to keep up as well just to see what it does. This coin though, I mean, it's given up this level. There's meta on lows, and this thing could really start coming in. This coin. This could come into 50. Head out to 2 minute. There's meta on lows. Gonna set an alert for meta, new low a day. Coin starting to work. Not sure what just happened here. Let's go back to coin. Down all the way to 51. Here is my cover down at 11 cents. Got it. Got my cover down at 11 cents, and she pops a little bit. And I am wondering if that was it, and she's going to just come back, or if she is going to actually crack down through that low. There's Tesla on lows. There's Meta on lows. Tesla on lows as well. If this coin cracks through this low, I might need to actually add back on. And there she goes. I'm gonna set an oh crap down here in the 50s just in case she just flushes through. Netflix also. So Tesla on lows, Netflix on lows. Let's reset Netflix. 304, low a day. Coin right there down at 51. Is she gonna crack? I think she will. Netflix on lows, Meta also on lows. Don't see anything on Meta yet. Target all the way back. There goes coin to fresh lows. Down to the 80s. Low 80s, not much. Not much on the down follow through to the downside. Not seeing a lot of bid hitting. Staying below 51 though, for now. We're gonna start pushing back down? Yeah, we are. Okay, pushing back down. They're continuing to sell it. Continuing to push. There goes the 70s. Can we get down to the 60s? There's the 60s. Where was I at? I was at 58. I was at 58. And we did not get down there. I took it off right there at 61, 63. I'm gonna go see if they go all the way down to 50. There's Nvidia on lows. Will they drop it out to 50? Here's the 40s. Let's see, target coming all the way back in. Glad I did not take that target back. Let's take a look. We got Apple on lows. We've got Nvidia on lows. I think I'm gonna try to add some back. 5130. And then 5160s, 5150s. So looking to add back here and here. I think the stop on those would probably need to be like 5220s. But I think we're closer to visiting $50 before we are to visiting 51. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe this is where I should be adding in, not waiting for a pop-up there. So we can't really get above 70 something cents right here. Like 74 is selling. We just cannot get up above 74. We got above it there to 80s. Hard to say. Nope, up to the 90s. Maybe it will get filled up here. Nope, straight back down. What is this? Is 51 here. Oh, it got above. It got above 51. Up to the 20s, but how long is it going to last? Not a lot of buying up here. There's Nvidia, Amazon, Tesla's still near lows, Apple, and there's TSM. TSM continuing to crack. TSM continuing to crack. I wonder if this TSM around like 79.80s here against like 80, 15, 79.80s against 80, 15. That coin never did get up there. Gonna go for the 80s here on TSM. 79.80s against the 80.20s. Basically up here looking, and coin comes back down, and so the ad was right at the hole there. There it goes, straight back down to lows. And now I do not want these ads at this point. Set a low a day alert. And I'm gonna go ahead and set a 25, 30 cent stop on coin. TSM continuing lower. Let's take a look at everything else. Netflix, Walmart. Walmart, I was down at 48.70s and never got a fill. Came close though. Came Very close. Microsoft, not much. TSM, still on lows. Coin, don't really like the way that it's trading here. And I might cut this short. I am. I'm gonna cut this short on coin, taking it off. It never went to go even retest lows. If it was truly weak, it would have. And so cutting that trade. TSM, about to be on lows again. I'm about to go to work. Do I have a low day on coin? I do. Okay. TSM on lows won't come up for air at all. Okay, I think I'm just going to cancel these orders and head off to work. So today was decent on coin and Amazon. Big mess up on target. Missed a 2-point move that I should have been involved in. There's TSM falling through. And there is coin moving up through 51 into the 51.20s. I think I'm going to call it here, and I'm going to pull my short orders for TSM, reset the low day, and then head off to work. But better than yesterday, but still big mistake in that target to get out of those really nice positioned shares there. And I was looking for a move up higher through this. Smart to not try to get back into it to expect a repeat move, but this one, I mean, everyone's thinking short. It starts falling, and then we have a huge squeeze. Everyone gets in on this one. There's the trap. The second squeeze. Now everyone's out. Now she can actually start falling back down now that all the shorts have been squeezed out effectively. Anyways, gonna cut the, might just post this as an entire opening session instead of chopping it up into trades.